Check it out, man. So when I rebuilt this bad boy right here, I forgot to put the speed sensor back in. The speed sensor gear for your speed, for your VSS. This one right here. So I said, what the hell, man, I got it out, so let me put it back in so I can know my speed. So I'm gonna put that back in there right now. Check out those bearings, man. Look how nice them bearings look. That's what the bearings supposed to look like, man. Nice and smooth. So I got a new reverse gear on this one. This is my brand new reverse gear. See how nice it looks. Brand new synchro, you know. Brand new 5-6 gear. See how nice it looks. Check out the magnets, man. The magnets are super clean. We ain't had much on them. Nothing really, nothing at all. Clean them up, put them back in there. Idler. Pretty clean in here, man, you know. I like to keep it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna probably put this back on there. Just slide on like this. Bam. Press that in there. That's about it.